Venerated Guest of Honor, SFO1, Ezekiel Alfonso David, to our very supportive Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. K.R. Yuzon, kind and ever-vibrant school head, Ma'am Lydia M. Sabino, dynamic and enthusiastic teaching staff of San Isidro Elementary School, our supportive SB member, Honorable Paul Diaz, dedicated barangay and PTA officials, our beloved parents, fellow graduates, schoolmates, visitors and friends, a pleasant morning to all. Today, we celebrate our hard work, our late night reviews, our success, and our challenges. We have grown together, learned together, and supported each other through the ups and downs of our journey in the elementary. Each one of us has a unique story to tell, filled with moments that made us cry and laugh, moments that scared us or left a smile on our face. It has been 7 years since my first entrance in this institution. 7 years? Ganun na pala katagal. It seems like it was just yesterday when my mama accompanied me here. Now, we are about to leave our once considered second home, the San Isidro Elementary School. As of this moment, we stand on the brink of new beginnings, getting ready to take on the level up challenge of the world with the knowledge, skills, and values we have acquired. As we end one glorious chapter of our life, a new one begins. But as we move forward, let us remember the lesson we have learned, both inside and outside the classroom. Let us carry with us the spirit of humility and compassion, so that whenever we may go, our school and people behind us will be proud of us. Yes, life is like an old computer game. Once we have unlocked the current stage, we are leaving it and moving on to the next. Whether we like it or not, we must move on. But today, allow us to first enjoy, culminate, and celebrate our years of hard work and perseverance in our journey in the elementary. So in this moment of celebration, it is with great honor and pride to welcome you all to witness another milestone in our life, our graduation. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to San Isidro Elementary School's graduation ceremony for this school year 2023 to 2024. May this event be filled with joy and meaningful connections that leave a lasting impact on each of us. Again, I am Aliyah Nicole H. Manganti. Good morning, everyone.